Vanakkam. Now we are going to solve problem 3.15 from Digital Design by Moris Mano's 5th edition. The question is, simplify the following Boolean function f together with the don't care conditions d and then express the simplified function in sum of minterms form. Okay. So here we are given 4 problems and we'll solve them one by one. So let's start with the first problem. A, it is f of x comma y comma z is equal to sigma 0 1 4 5 6 and d of x comma y comma z is equal to sigma 2 3 7. So we have to first mark the minterms 0 1 then 4 5 and then 6. Then we go for marking this don't care conditions as x in the cells 2 3 and then 7. Since all these cells are occupied either with this ones and don't cares, we can combine them all so that we get a single loop by combining all these cells. So this is loop 1, so for which we can write the expression as that is equal to 1, isn't it? So it can be written as the function of sum of the minterms as f of x comma y comma z is equal to, it covers everything, right? So it is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is the answer. Now we move on to the next problem. So in this B problem we are given f of a comma b comma c comma d equal to sigma 0 6 8 13 14 and d of a comma b comma c comma d equal to sigma 2 4 10. So we'll mark now. So 0 minterm, so it is 1 here, then 6 1 8 13 and then 14. Then we go for this don't care conditions in 2, so mark x here, 2 4 then 10. So how to group them? We can combine these corner cells first. Okay, this can be named as loop 1. Then we can combine these 4 cells, and it can be named as loop 2. Then there is no need to combine this x, but we have to cover this one. It cannot be combined with any other ones or x, so it is a single one. It's a single one, so it is loop number 3. So now we can write the expression for this loops. For loop 1 it is, here it covers these two row wise, column wise these two, so it is a dash a cancel, so we get this as b dash. Here c dash c get cancelled, so we get d dash. We go for loop 2, it covers here and row wise this one, so it is 1 here and this side it is cd dash. Then we move on to loop 3, so it is a b c dash d. So f simplified can be written as b dash d dash plus cd dash plus a b c dash d, but the answer should be in minterms, right? We have to write it in minterms, so it is sigma, so this covers 0 2 then 8 10, isn't it? This b dash d dash 0 2 8 10. Then loop 2, that is covered by 2 6 14 and then 10. So we can write this as 2 is already written here, 10 is also written, so we can write this 6 and 14. Then this 1 is covered by this 13, isn't it? So if you want, you can rearrange them as sigma 0 2 6 8 10 13 and 14. So this is the answer. Now we move on to the next problem. So it is C problem, that is f of a comma b comma c comma d equal to sigma 5 6 7 12 14 15 and the don't care conditions for the sigma 3 9 11 15. So now we mark this minterms first. So it is 5 6 7 then 12 14 and then 15. Then the don't care conditions for this 3, 9, 11 and then 15 is given once again. So now we can combine to form the loops. These 4 cells can be combined and it is named as loop 1. Then we can combine these 4 ones and it can be named as loop 2. I'm not sure why this 15 comes both in the midterms and don't care. Maybe it is probably it is an error. Okay, anyhow we'll proceed with that. Okay, we can form the loop like this. No other option left out. So we go for this. This is loop 3. Then this one is there. That must be combined. This is combined with the 14th cell. So if you look at this loop 1, this loop 1, the x, it consists of this don't care from this 3rd cell and then 7th, 15th and then 11th cell is also don't care. But the 7th and 15th are covered in loop 2 also. So on that case, the loop 1 is not to be considered. Okay. So we go for loop 2. That can be written. So this loop 2 expressions, these two, and here it is these two, right? So here A dash A get cancelled, we get B, we get B here, then C, because D and D dash get cancelled. Okay, this is for this loop 2. Then we go for loop 3. Loop 3 is green color, so it covers this one and on this side these two. That's why we can write this as A dash B, here it is D. Then we go for loop 4. This is loop 4. So this can be written as AB and then on this side C dash D dash and CD dash, isn't it? So this AB, then C dash C get cancelled, only D dash will get. So F simplified expression can be written as BC plus A dash BD plus AB D dash. But we have to write it in as minterms. Okay, so we go for this summation of minterms. For loop 2, it consists of the 6, 7, 14, 15 and then loop 3, 5. So all these things we can write, okay, which are covered by this. So I start from this. We didn't consider this 3, okay, because loop 1 is cancelled. So 5, it is 5, 6 here, 7 here. Then here it is, this is not considered at all, right? So here 12, 14 and 15. 12, 14, 15. So this is the answer. We'll move on to the next. So D problem. In this we have 4, 12, 7, 2, 10, right? And then 0, 6, 8 here. So we mark the minterms first. So it is 4, 12 and then 7, then 2, then 10. And then 0 here it is don't care, 6 is also don't care, then 8 is also don't care. Now we try to form this loops. So here we have this corner 4 ones can be combined. So it is loop 1. We can combine these 4 cells as loop 2. Then we go for forming this, right? So it is, this is loop 3. So for this we can write the expression. So for loop 1 it is these two row wise, these two column wise, right? So it is B dash and then here it is D dash. And for loop 2, row wise, these are all covered in column wise, this one. So the answer for this one is C dash D dash. Then for loop 3, it covers row wise this one and column wise these two. So the answer is A dash B, then here it is C. So the simplified expression, if you want, we can write it like this, as C dash D dash plus B dash D dash plus A dash B C. But the thing is, we need to write the min terms only, which was asked in the question, right? The answer, this is the required answer. We have to go for this. So it covers the 0, then 2, then this 4, this 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, then 8 and 10. Then we have this 12. Okay. So this is the answer. Thank you.